Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, you need to set it up by hitting the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now, or just close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, after clicking on your device's screens, select Send at the bottom left corner of ASUS. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on ASUS, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with only couple of files, just for example. And then select Send next to Selected. Finally, hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close another. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!